Hello traders, I hope guys you are having a good day today. And I just finished my London morning session. I think it's 10:25, and I want to share with you how I analyze market this morning. We had a blessing volatility again. We had a continue pipping from yesterday after the FOMC meeting, and let me share with you how I did this morning and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, and if you look at the 4-hour, as mentioned yesterday, if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review video link is given in the video description. So with this price action, once the price respected the support level, we have this beautiful rejection, bearish rejection. So we were expecting another pullback at this level. So we had another beautiful pullback. As soon as the price hit this level and explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. That was a pretty straightforward this morning, as you can see here. After this banking this pips, I analyzed market last night. I explained to my trader look for another pullback around this level. And you can see here this was the analysis once we bank some profit here. So this morning we had another beautiful pullback based on this analysis. As you can see here, based in even a 4-hour. We were expecting a pullback at this level. So we had a beautiful, as soon as the price developed a double bottom at the support level, momentum was bullish. So technically that was the continuation. So we had a beautiful pullback long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the fib channel, that is always our first target. And that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy profit. So we had an amazing trade on Euro USD. Let me share with you Pound Dollar. We had an amazing trade too. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we had this rejection, price rejected support level in 4 hours. So we're expecting another pullback at this level. You can see here price broken, and we're expecting another pullback and continue, which we bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we are waiting today. We had a 12 p.m. high impact news. Let's see if the cable, if the interest rates increase. Probably we're going to see continuation, but we'll let you know. All right, so let me share with you how I analyze market. And we had this beautiful, as you can see from yesterday, we had this beautiful and price nicely hit, bank beautiful pips. And afterwards, as always, I did another analysis, instantly explained to my trader this is a level where we should be expecting another pullback around this level. So you can see here price nicely develop another pullback this morning. As soon as the price hit to the fib channel, which is, I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit because the price nicely hit to the resistance level. So we had another beautiful trade. That was the continuation from yesterday. Amazing profit, bank beautiful pips. And dollar CAD, again, as always, as you can see here from yesterday, we were short from this level. You can see my yesterday analysis review. So we had this beautiful, as you can see here, price nicely broken. As always explained to my trader, after this breakout, we're expecting another pullback at this level. And we banked beautiful pips. Target was this previous low, which price nicely hit. Let me share with you how I analyze in intraday. And that's what I did basically. If you look at here, from yesterday, we were short from this level and banked beautiful pips there yesterday. Just before the New York session closed, and I did another analysis. I explained to my trader if the price is going to hit this level around this previous low level, and then we're going to take another short trade here. As you can see here, another pullback based on this analysis. We have this pullback, and this morning, as soon as the price hit to the green fib channel, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see we had a continuation, but we keep taking a pullback. But as you can see here, how I analyze in the intraday and help my traders to bank amazing profit. You can see here we had a beautiful trade on Aussie dollar. That's again yesterday, and that's what I explained to my trader. We have this is bullish flag pattern. And also if you look at very carefully, you can see here sort of like we have inverted head and shoulder pattern in 4 hour. So we can see the continuation of this bullish. But we had this yesterday, we have this breakout long trade here. We're expecting another pullback. We have another pullback. We also have another breakout. And as soon as the price hit to the previous high, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And if you look at the intraday, that's what I analyzed this morning and the yesterday. Once we bank some profit, you can see here, this is where we had it, bank some profit. And I did another analysis, look for this level for pullback. As you can see here, price nicely developed this pullback. Beautiful. And even this morning you can add another scaling trade because we have an inverted head and shoulder pattern in 4 hour. As you can see here, again, beautiful. That's the scaling trade. We have pullback long here, another breakout as soon as the price hit to the red fib channel. And at this level, we explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit with the previous analysis, or you can hold this one trade and let's see if the price is still going to hit this 200 EMA. So you can see we had amazing trades this morning, a blessing morning. And even Kiwi dollar, amazing trade. We had this one pretty straightforward. We have this break yesterday. We had this breakout trade, bank beautiful after the FOMC meeting. After the breakout, we were expecting another pullback, and that's what exactly happened. As you can see here, we had this breakout yesterday. That was, I mentioned, bank beautiful pips, and as always, after the breakout, pullback at this level. As you can see here, price nicely and beautiful develop a double bottom at the support level. Momentum was bullish this morning. We have this beautiful long trade here, and price nicely hit to the profit target, which is the red fib channel. That's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit. We also had a beautiful long trade on pound yen. That was a beautiful trade this morning. As you can see here, that was the price developed these sort of things. Sideways market. I explained to my trader, look for this pullback at this level. As you can see here, price nicely developed the pullback based on the momentum, nicely hit to the profit target, which is the green fib channel, and explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. You can see, guys, this is the beautiful day today beginning. We already banked beautiful pips, more than 100 pips. Most of the traders already banked beautiful pips. I hope, guys, you enjoyed this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analyses in the real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where I train trader with a live market through live intraday analysis and help them to understand the market and produce consistency results. So once you develop your trading skills through this platform and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train, help traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my professional team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. Or even if you are an experienced trader, you're already trading, and if you're looking extra edge to bank another profit, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading. And I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.